We've got Mr. A.K. Prabhakar, who's Senior Vice President for Equity Research at Anand Rathi Financial Services, joining us now on the show. Mr. Prabhakar, to begin with, we've seen all this weakness in the market. We've seen a minor bounce back. But within that, I'd just like to focus on the IT pack, which has been under a fair bit of pressure. We've seen some amount of climb back today. Within the IT pack, is there anything that seems attractive to you?
After Cognizant results, one has to rethink the strategy on IT. But still, we feel TCS has a place to play. TCS has corrected, which maybe some more correction on TCS would give a very good opportunity for investors to buy. But KPIT and Hexaware are two stocks in mid-cap we like. I think mid-cap should close on with the large-cap stocks. So we like mid-caps more than large-caps.
Mr. Prabhakar, given the way things have been transpiring over the past few days, would you approach the index with the premise that it's going to head lower before we see a recovery?
Yeah, normally in the month of May, we have seen past instances where correction has been major. And every 4 years, major correction has happened in Indian market. Take it from 92, 96, 2000, 2004, 2008, now we are in 2012. So the situation is similar in the 4-year cycle. So we feel that there will be correction, and now politically everywhere in the globe, it has been a stalemate. Now not only in India, it has been now in France, and we are seeing it in Greece. So this can hamper us, and maybe a correction is on cards.
Mr. Prabhakar, sticking with the point of the kind of disappointing set of numbers that you've seen from most of these banks, what would you make of it?
Banking, I think short-term pressure will be there, and we are avoiding banks. Private banks have done better. HDFC results have been very good, and a few private banks like IndusInd Bank, S Bank we are waiting for the result, but IndusInd Bank result has been spectacular. So we like private banks, but PSU banks we are afraid, because con-call details are more better than what the management is speaking. If you take Allahabad Bank, their restructured loan is very heavy, and every bank restructured loan, that is where we have to concentrate, and I fear that it can be a repeat of 2000-2003 levels of NPAs. So if this is going to continue, I would avoid banks for right now. Now wait for 1 or 2 quarters to buy into banks.
And what would your tactical call be on the high beta pack, Mr. Prabhakar? Do you think it would be prudent to stack up on some of these stocks for investors who have a long-term appetite, or with the way things are going, you would steer clear from this sector as well?
No, it is now if the correction sets in, I think it is better to go for a very strong fundamental stock with a low beta thing, so that our losses are very minimum. In fertilizer, we like a stock like Rallis India, Coromandel International. So these are stocks which can stand any corrections in the market. And in paints, yeah, we like Asian Paints and the Berger Paint, which are doing very good. So we are very stock specific in our approach, and we are not looking at high beta stock at present time.